Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share our very beautiful videos of crochet blouses. Crochet blouses are available in my channel in these stunning, these creative and fabulous videos. Are newly videos in attractive things, in attractive ideas, and more creative videos, designs of top blouses. Top blouses are used in different patterns, different attractive designs. Are you there? And more creative videos. And top blouses are crop tops, top blouses in different things, different designs, and different perfective videos. And I hope so. Okay, I really share with you. I have shared with newly designs ideas. Keep attractive, keep sharing designs of top blouses. Top blouses are available in these designs. These videos are good looking designs ideas. So basic videos and different perfective videos are for trainees or some designs for some videos are used in different patterns. Keep attractive, keep sharing are good looking videos. Just looking like a gorgeous and it's stunning videos, designs. I hope so. Okay, it's amazing videos, it's newly designs ideas are available in new keep attractive videos, designs, and different things, different attractive videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notifications. So let's go. Inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. So let's see and let's go. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.